dear ladies and gentlemen, professors, and their distinguished guests and participants. This is an honor for me to have this great opportunity to speak with you in this very important moment. On the behalf of my colleagues, first of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the Scientific and Technological Research Council of Turkey for all the gracious hospitality, kindness, help, and the patient attention they gave to us during our stay in Turkey. We had a very productive time and enjoyed our cyber security training program at TÜBİTAK in Djibouti. We were very comfortable to be here, increasing our awareness and improving our knowledge of information technology and learning more about the culture and history of these great people in this beautiful and historical city of Istanbul. I would also like to present my special thanks to the NATO Science for Peace and Security program for supporting our academic institutions and preparing the ground for us to visit Istanbul and to have such an important training. My special thanks to Dr. Walter Kaffenberger for his untiring efforts to visit our major universities individually and to see the needs and necessities of our academic institutions. We believe that receiving such training in information technology will play an important and significant role in ensuring the quality of our education system, especially the quality of our higher education system, and improving the capacity of our academic institutions in terms of information technology. In order to very briefly explain our expectations and the needs and necessities of our academic institutions in terms of information technology, I would like to mention one of these institutions as an example of our needs and expectations of our other academic institutions. I would mention Prof University, where I teach, as an example that you can imagine what we need in information technology. Prof University is one of the major academic institutions after Kabul University, located in North Mazar-e City, which has around 8,000 students, around 300 faculty members and professors and lecturers. Within its 9 different faculties, including medical faculty, engineering faculty, economics, agriculture, law, and Islamic studies, and literature and education faculties. But unfortunately, we still do not have a qualified computer lab for our students to do their research and to use these new technology in their research. The new website is under construction now, and the internet, just a few computers are connected to internet, and the fiber optical cable is being finalized. Since last year, we have been trying to establish a computer science faculty, but one of the challenges we face is the lack of enough academic cadres and computer science experts to further this faculty. So one of our expectation, my suggestion would be to prepare the ground for our young generation, young faculty members, to have the opportunity to get their higher education in Turkey, Turkish country, and abroad in other countries, and to get their master degree program. By that way, we will have our human capital to improve the situation of our academic institutions. Our young generation is very keen to have their higher education and to rebuild their countries. If you individually ask these young participants, they will tell you that this is ideal for them to have the opportunity to get their master degrees and higher education degrees somewhere else, because in Afghanistan we don't have such programs. So our very important expectation is to have such programs and to continue. And I am very happy to hear today from the Secretary General of Public Diplomacy that this will be the beginning of the program and will be continued more. One of the suggestions that my colleague told me is to have a training in IP version 6 and to improve our 11 academic institutions and 11 computer science faculties to have equipment and to improve their situation. And the internal connectivity of the Kabul universities within Kabul to be connected with each other. Thank you very much for your attention.